everyone, you're all welcome to my channel. We have something interesting I want us to look at today. Okay, so that is how to edit your videos. You know, a lot of us are being discouraged in running their YouTube channel because they don't have money to buy those extravagant lights that people use. But you can see that this video I'm doing now, I'm not using any special lights. I'm not using any light at all, just the natural light from the window. So the thing is that sometimes you may do this video, or maybe you have only one light, like your ring light. That's the only source of light you have, and after everything it may not be very clear. You don't have any issues. So that's what we want to look at today. Okay, so I want to look at this so that we can hasten our YouTube journey. You don't have anything to discourage you from taking your YouTube journey seriously. Like the last video we discussed about how to come up with YouTube background, YouTube studio background. Like, even if you are just shooting your video in your house, just in outside place, and you want it to look very nice, fantastic, that was a video we did, and you can see, check the link in the description box below if you have not watched that video, so that you can see how to change the background of your videos, let it look very nice, as if you are in a studio and you are shooting your video. So, and after that one, that is how Anna brought up. So let us look at this, how to adjust the brightness of our videos, and the only tool we need for that is CapCut. I know that you have CapCut, and I want us to do this using our smartphone, because some persons don't have a laptop, and although you can also use CapCut in your phone and you can use it on your laptop, but I want us to do that using our smartphone. If you are new, welcome to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, welcome. Okay, so let's dive in now into our CapCut. Okay, now we are in our CapCut. I've selected the video we want to adjust. After shooting with your natural lights, you want to adjust the brightness. After selecting, I come here and click on adjust. You click on brightness to increase the brightness. Then you can go to brilliance to increase it a bit, go to sharpen, increase. So there's no specific length where you take it to. What you need is, while doing those things, be watching the video, be looking at it and see if it is okay the way you want it. So after adjusting, I now come to retouch. See the touch by the side. So you can see me, I didn't do any makeup here, just a little tiny lipstick, so no makeup. So you see all those people on YouTube, you think that they have time to do makeup. Some of them may not have time, so I click on retouch. Somebody like me, I'm not a makeup type, so I can just come click on retouch, come here. Okay, let me go back and show you. I click on retouch, it showed me face or body, so I'm selecting face. I don't need to do anything for my body. Selecting face, come and smoothen it. You see it. You see how fantastic it looks. All right, so what again do I need? Do I need to brighten it again? Okay, I can brighten it a bit. So the teeth, you can see it. Wow, you'll be thinking that I cannot be able to do this. I can. If you want your skin tone, you can adjust it if you want. Maybe you want to look lighter. You see it looks lighter now, or you want to have this color or this color, so I can leave it for this color. I think this is okay by me. And what again, you go to makeup. So you can see I do not have any makeup there. I can come to eyelashes. I can give myself eyelashes. See, it has added. Then what again, you can go to eyeshadow. If you want, you can give yourself eyeshadow. Then you can reduce it. Like me, I'm not a makeup person, so I can reduce it. So it's all your choice. Then lipstick, you can choose the color of lipstick you want to see it. You can choose the color you want. You can choose the color you want. So I think I'm going for this. I love red lipstick, so you can reduce it, you can increase it, it's all your choice. So that's it. You can see fantastic. So we now have a very good video, even though we did the shooting using natural lights. You can see it now that we've come up with very fantastic something. So you don't really need to go and start buying all those expensive lights. You can start your YouTube journey using $0. You see, I did the that's it. You can start it with $0. The next video I will upload here is how to shoot your video with natural light. Okay, so watch out for it. Few days coming, you will see it, how to shoot your video with $0. Now we've learned how to edit it after shooting it with natural light. So watch out for how to position your phone, your camera, to be able to use natural light to shoot your videos. Bye for now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you, and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload the video, you'll be notified.